Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're whipping up a delicious and easy recipe that's perfect for a weeknight meal, a potluck contribution, or even a game day snack. Canned black-eyed peas. Black-eyed peas are a nutritious and versatile legume that's packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. They're also incredibly affordable and shelf-stable, making them a pantry staple in many households. But canned black-eyed peas can be a bit bland on their own. That's where this recipe comes in. We'll jazz them up with a few simple ingredients and techniques to create a flavorful dish that's sure to please everyone at the table. Ingredients: 2 cans, 15.5 ounces each, black-eyed peas, drained and rinsed. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1/2 onion, chopped. 1 green bell pepper, chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional. 14.5 ounces, diced tomatoes, undrained. 1 cup chicken broth or vegetable broth. Salt and freshly ground black pepper, to taste. Chopped fresh parsley, for garnish, optional. Instructions: heat the olive oil in a large skillet or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the onion and bell pepper, and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Stir in the garlic, thyme, smoked paprika, and cayenne pepper, if using, and cook for 30 seconds until fragrant. Add the black-eyed peas, diced tomatoes with their juices, and chicken broth. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to low and simmer for 15–20 minutes, or until the black-eyed peas are heated through and the flavors have melded. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Garnish with chopped fresh parsley, if desired. Tips: for a smokier flavor, you can add a few slices of bacon to the skillet while cooking the onion and bell pepper. If you like your food spicy, feel free to add more cayenne pepper or a chopped jalapeno pepper. Serve your canned black-eyed peas over rice, quinoa, or grits, or enjoy them as a dip with pita bread or tortilla chips. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed this easy and delicious recipe for canned black-eyed peas. Be sure to give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tasty recipes.